Sunday morning, when people are going to church, we go have fun.
Potentially going out of Tombstone.
Oh, we feel the pressure, So, over 400 feet tall, super overhanging. Super nice.
Okay.
Alright, you smiling?
Oh yeah.
Give me a second, take your time. Remember, you just like, you want to run off, but you want to get a good position more than like getting crazy over there.
Ready?
Ready. Have a good one, bro. Nice. Super nice.
Nice! Wow! That was awesome.